Click on the link below to get price. The Aero Shed's 8 feet by 8 feet outdoor steel storage shed in blue is a practical solution for anyone needing extra storage space without compromising on aesthetics. This shed is designed with functionality in mind, providing ample room for gardening tools, outdoor equipment, and seasonal decorations. Constructed from galvanized steel, the shed boasts impressive durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, making it an ideal choice for outdoor use. The blue finish not only enhances its visual appeal but also serves as a protective layer against the elements. The sleek design integrates well into various landscapes, whether you have a modern backyard or a more traditional garden setup. Assembly can be somewhat challenging, particularly for those who may not be handy. The instructions provided are detailed, but it may require 2 people and several hours to complete the setup. It's crucial to prepare adequately before starting, ensuring you have the right tools and a flat surface for installation. Once assembled, however, the shed stands sturdy and secure. The double doors offer convenient access, and their wide design makes it easy to store larger items. A significant advantage is the ventilation system that prevents moisture buildup, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of stored items. Additionally, the shed is compatible with various shelving options, allowing for customized organization. One downside is that the interior lacks any built-in storage features, meaning you will have to invest in additional shelving or storage solutions to maximize space utilization. However, this also means that you can tailor the interior to your specific needs, making it versatile for different uses. Overall, the Aero Shed's 8 feet by 8 feet outdoor steel storage shed is a robust and stylish choice for anyone needing extra storage space. Its combination of durability, aesthetic appeal, and functionality makes it a worthy investment, particularly for those looking to organize their outdoor areas efficiently.